Alright. I'm not sure if this is live or what, but it's my first time streaming while coding, and I will be doing a lot of mistakes, and it will be going so slow that I'm not sure if I want to do this, but I just want to get out, to not be in my comfort zone, and I will try to do my coding in live session. And also the good thing about this is because I will be recording this. Yay, that's cool. And yes, that's my screen. And with having a recording while recording, you can review it later and improve your, because so far maybe you've noticed that my English is like pretty bad and my vocabulary is pretty bad, so with doing this kind of things, recording and streaming, sharing videos, it I will improve my English communication and some other skills, I guess, whatever. Yeah. Anyway, so what I'm doing here is I'm just a quickly brief. Probably no one is watching, but whatever. It's just my note, and what I'm doing here, I'm doing 100 days of code challenge, and that's basically coding for 100 days, and along the way you will learn new things. And in most cases this challenge is done by newbies who wants to shift their career and become developers. But in my case, I'm a developer. Also, this challenge is is done. It's done with other people, like the people who are trying to improve themselves and learn something new. And when you participate in this kind of challenge, it keeps you accountable, because you will share your progress of this particular day on Twitter or whatever. Yeah, and I mentioned Twitter because there is a hashtag 100 days of code, and all of the people that are doing this challenge are following this, and you can kind of get some feedback. And yes, what I wanted to say is something else. I don't think so. Maybe that's it. Yeah, I think that's all. I can't remember. Anyway, yeah, I'm a bit slow now because I was on vacation, and when you transition from vacation to working, when you're back in your daily routine, it's kind of slow and you need time to adjust because you're used to doing nothing and just enjoying life. Anyway, yes, but I love doing this as well. So I will just disable QuickTime, and I have Streamlabs here, and I have you see pretty bad. Okay, let's just make. I want to clear this thing. Anyway, no, I don't care. Let me just check this screen because I'm doing this first time and I don't even know how. Let's just quickly jump to this. Oh, and I'm live. Oh my god, yes, I'm doing this. Yeah, it's live. Yeah. Category entertainment. I'm not sure if this is an entertainment. How is it possible to edit the category of this thing? Public, playlist, end screen. Oh, more options. More options. More options. Yeah, sorry. Recording date. Whatever. Voices, capture, and category is a science and technology. I'm in science and technology, and also I might add some, like, so people, maybe someone will search for something and find this coding. And yes, yeah, and I will be following coding, yeah, while following Udemy course. What? Following Udemy? Why? Yeah, okay, anyway. No uppercase. I will keep it simple. Yes, coding while following Udemy course. Raw edit. Don't care. Oh, no emojis. Can I do, yeah, can I add emojis in title? No. That would be fun. No, I can. Oh, I can. Let's see this. Video link, thumbnail. Whatever. I think I'm fine. Allow embedding, sort by top newest. Anyway, yes. Yes. Let's just skip that and. Oh, is it saying how much time is passed? 0 views. Yeah. Right. I will switch to, yeah, this is the code project, and let me just, I will also quit Slack because I don't need it, and it will be a distraction. I don't need this as well. I don't need. Let's just quickly check what are the CPU stats. Yeah, sorry, I won't do these steps any other day, but because now this is my first time and I just want to check if it's working correctly. And I'm not even sure how the mic is performing. I would love to see how it sounds on the live stream, but I don't know how to do that right now. Anyway, let me just, I will, yeah, this is, I will open my Postman. Postman is loading. It wasn't started. It wasn't opened like forever. I'm just kidding. It wasn't open for only 7 to 8 days. Yes, and let me, I love to have like that, have it like that. Can I do this? Yeah, I can, of course I can. And you know what, I just remembered, I will share my video, my live stream with my brother. You know why? Because he will watch it. He is my sport. My brother is my sport. He will be my first viewer. What's up? Oh, what's up? Web. Oh, yes, he's using WhatsApp, and honestly, he's the only one that I'm communicating with WhatsApp, and I have this app installed with him. And maybe it's better to not share the live screen. But anyway, I don't care. Yo, what's up? I'm live streaming, screaming, whatever. I'm just excited. Join me. Watch me code and embarrass myself and code and shit. If you open it now, this chat is on edge. Oh, he's with his girlfriend. Yeah, he has a girlfriend, and she's in Germany. They love each other so much, but with this corona thing, it's kind of hard to keep up. And she had booked airplane tickets and all of that, but with this corona thing, it wasn't possible, so they postponed it. Yes, and a round of applause to them. Stay strong. All right. Okay. Go on. Yeah. Sure. Maybe. Let's see if the viewer count is zero. Viewer count is zero, which means Goron is not. What is that? Participants. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Sign into chat. Really? This is my stream. Why? Okay, whatever. Anyway, yeah. All right. This is code, and now I need to navigate to my Udemy course account and to see where I started, where I ended my journey before the vacation. And yeah, my course is here. Yeah, I haven't mentioned I'm a developer. I'm a almost full stack developer, and I'm now transitioning from medium to senior. And but we have a, when you work in a company, you have your technology stack there, and you kind of working on the same thing every day. And with this challenge, I just wanted to share, just wanted to learn so much more. And these kind of challenges are good for me because I I don't know the exact reason, but I like challenges and challenging myself, and this is keeping me accountable. Yeah. All right. Um. Okay. So this is the meeting course. I will have it open in the in another window. And yes. So I've ended my journey in modeling locations, geospatial data, modeling locations, geospatial data, modeling tour guide, embedding. Yes, so this is section for modeling data and advancement goes. And I'm not sure how interesting will be that. And I'm not sure if this is for streaming as well. I've done a lot of coding in the sections before, but now this is maybe not that interesting. And let me just start location. Yeah, let's see. I'm not sure. Maybe I will just stream shit. Whoa, so cool. Damn, who is this guy? So someone is watching. I'm not sure who is this, but this is my brother. Hi, brother. Anyway, yes. And now I'm curious to see who that other person is. I have 2 viewers. But there is no way that you can click on the videos. Yeah, I'm just being funny. I'm just trying to code, and I will do that. Yes. Okay. So my brother is saying that it's fine and I can continue, and that's a good validation to see if my mic is working perfectly. And next, maybe I will buy a new camera. Yeah, but I don't think so. And I'm closing everything. Okay. Anyway, yes. Hmm. Yeah, so in the next section, modeling locations. Hmm. I kind of forgot where I was. And just this is my, and just quickly to explain this, this is my Notion database for 100 days of code. And as you see, I keep all of my days here and all of the notes that I've done for some for the for that particular day. And yeah, at first there was a lot of theory. I I know Node.js and how to create projects with it and how to work with it, how to use Express, but with following this course, I've learned a lot more, and I feel more confident now starting some project on my own. So yeah, that's that. All right. And I'm back. I just need to make sure that I'm on the right place and on the right section because after vacation nothing is the same. I'm so lost. And I need to. Actually, this is day 14. I just realized that I've started this section and I just left to vacation and I've never came back. So yeah, this actually the title of the stream is wrong, but I don't want to tweak that anymore. I just want to code, and this is taking me time, and it's not the same because when I'm just coding and following this course and following and making sure that I've done what I've needed to do for this day to follow the challenge and to learn something new. I'm just doing it and I don't care, but and that's my goal with this stream was something like I will start streaming and I won't care if I don't say anything or something. But as I see now, I find myself coding, and then I just think that I need to say something because if someone is watching, he will just enjoy silence. Anyway, yeah, I should stop thinking about that and start with modeling tour guides. No, modeling locations. Yeah, let's see what's that about. And I need to add some background music because I'm listening to music, but I was I was not able to find some way on how to stream music into my video in the background, like in low volume. Yes, I need to do that, but not now. You will enjoy silence, okay? Just enjoy it. Yes, and let's just quickly open my the Compass database browser. Compass, MongoDB Compass. Yes, that's actually like browser for seeing your MongoDB database. And if I've done it correctly, it should connect to it. But now, oh, fail in connection, fail. Right. Yes, have it. It should work. Loading navigation. Yes. Natures. All right. I'm on fire. What I'm talking about, yeah. So we have tours, and now in this section we want to we want to have coordinates for location, and we need to model that. So I'm just checking if I've done this before vacation, and it would be a nice thing to note that before next time I will go on vacation. Just oh no, not now. Next time I will go on vacation, just take notes or screenshots or something that where you stopped so you could continue. Yes, but with these live stream videos I could just go back and watch where I stopped and I will be fine. But now it's not that easy, so it is taking me too much time. yeah, also let me check if login is working. Login user. Can we log in a user after vacation? Yes, this is my password. This is very secure password, everyone. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. The criteria for the password was it should be 8, minimum 8 characters, and I just done that. It's 8 characters. See, 1 to 8. Is it working? You cannot get any response. Of course I cannot get any response. The server is not started. npm run start, not production, just start. Yes. DB connection successful. Of course it's successful. It was working. Let's just check if I can. Oh, error. There's an error. Failed. True. Incorrect email or password. Really? Really? This is incorrect? Why? I'm so convinced that this should be working. Let's check users. Yes, this is a name special. Not special. Yeah, this is how it's pronounced. Special. .com. Oh, there is an empty. Is there a white space? I don't think so. No, there is no white space because it should be trimmed if there is one. But it looks like there is a white space. This is so strange. Can I? What if I try with white space? This means that I found a bug in this application. Incorrect email password. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's just close all of this because it's so distracting. Distracting. Get all login user. Let's try again. Incorrect email password. What's the password? Okay, anyway, I will just delete the user. We'll just delete the user. Where is that? What? Why? Yes. Role admin. Yeah, I will delete my admin, and I will create a new user. That way, I will also check the sign up user functionality. Body, no, admin. Yeah, we see everything is like that. Sending success finally, and the token is here and everything, and now I can get all the tours. Let's check that. Get tours. All right. I'm on fire. How I can make fire here? So I can see that. So you can see fire on the screen. Actually, I have one brush, screen brush. That's a very nice app that I use often. And what it does, it show screen brush. Let me just. And I want it to be in ghost mode, so got it. So whenever I hold F1, I don't need that. It's writing something, and I said fire before, so I will try to make fire. You see, that's fire. I deleted the user and I registered a user, and if I refresh now, the user should be here. And you see, admin is here. Yay! All right. Yes. So application is working. I'm getting all of the headers here. Yeah, this is a logger, the middleware logger, and I believe that, yeah, it was Morgan, whatever. Is it Morgan? Morgan? What was the name of this middleware? Yeah, it's in server. Morgan. What? Morgan. What? Yeah, it's a Morgan. That's a middleware that is providing not just console doing console log on requests. Anyway, yes, let's continue with following the course. Enjoy silence. Alright, so I just remembered where I was. So we will add guides array, and that will be basically ID of the tour guides that we will later on use. So, and we will, this is just a reference. This will be act, this will this will be like, we will reference this, and this in a way will be, no, not in a way, but this actually is an reference, and we will know which tour guide is for that tour. And yeah, that's one way to have a relation. And then another way is we can just simply embed it in here, and that will be a JSON object, and in each tour document we will have a tour guide document inside of it. And there are benefits and there are disadvantages and disadvantages for these two types, or whatever you choose, but my preference is having an array of IDs, and later on just you can fetch. We will write a middleware for when saving a document. Sorry, when on find, we will write a middleware for find. So whenever a user whenever we will try to find a tour document, we will check which guide IDs are in here for the tour, and we will fetch these from database based on the IDs, and we will return that to the user who is requesting that. So yes, that's good. And for first step, it's just adding guide arrays, and next we will just write the tour schema predefined. I'm tempted to say hook because of the React hooks. Predefined middleware. Yes. And yeah, but now with having this guides array here, let's just quickly test the Postman create. Let's just quickly try to create a tour Postman, or maybe update the tour. Can we update the tour? Yes, we can. Sure, we can. Let's just update the tour, and for updating tour we need tour ID, and let's just grab some tour ID, get tours. Yeah, why can't see IDs? Yeah, here's the ID. So we will try to update this tour, updater, and we will provide an ID as a path parameter, and this is a patch because we want to update it. It's a patch request, and body, yes, the none of these, but I just want, what was the name of this field? The name of this field is guides, and guides it is then. Guides, and yeah, I should check or find some user ID users. Yeah, this, yeah, for example, maybe this user, this, and yeah, and this will say that this user is a guide for this tour. Yeah, and this will be saved to the MongoDB database. Send. Yay, success. We have success. Alright. Do we have guides field here? We should have it. Yes, guides. You see? It's here. It's here. Yay. It's fine. That's good. And I'm tempted to see the stream. Muted. Yes. Yes, my brother. I was muted, but I can't comment because I need to sign the chat. And yes, whatever. I'm just coding now. I don't care about that. Yes. I'm muted, and there is no music in the background, and that's maybe not good. Maybe not good, but I don't care. For now, for the first time streaming live and coding, it's not important. Enjoy silence. Enjoy silence. And if someone is wondering why I'm not, yeah, no, forget it. I was trying. I'm so tempted to say different things, but I won't. And I was muted because I have a mic and it has a button. If you press it, you're muted. And yes. Anyway. And now my brother wrote me and I'm tempted to check. Yes. He's asking me if I have two monitors. Yes, I have. He's telling me some tips that I don't know how to do. He's saying like, you can pop up chat. Ah. Aha. Oh. He's saying that I can pop up the chat. I can pop up it. Yeah, I know what he's mean, but you know what, man? You know what? This is a new release from Streamlabs, and it's kind of very new from Mac, and I'm not sure if they can handle pop-up. And sign in the chat. You see, open in browser. Open in browser. Oh, yeah, I see now. I have this. I have this pop-up now. Yes, I can do it now. Ho ho ho. Welcome to live. I hate this. Why is this here? And I will just add random emoji like this is broken heart or something. No, this is thanks. Thanks doc. What? Ah, like thanks doctor. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this kind of looks good. Oh, we are chatting now. Oops. Yeah. This is not what stream is meant for. Sharing love. Alright. And continuing to this shit. Alright. Now we will write a predefined hook. Oh my god, hook. Middleware that will search for guide IDs and send them to the user. That's find. Oh my god, I'm just so tempted. Oh, I can't control my brain. I want to ask someone how the mic is sound. What the sound? Yeah. And how is the mic? See, we're sending off to each other. WhatsApp is in another browser. Yes, it is. mic sounds good and mic was muted. And yes, I need to start more earlier the next days. And today I think today's fell that because I spent my time setting up the stream and not doing much of a coding. And yes, but it's fine because I have plenty of time to improve. Find. We need a callback function. We need a next method that is passed as an argument. This dot. And yes, and we will have this guides is actually an array, and we can map through it. We'll mark it in G. No, it's an ID. I'll use an ID only. And now I need to search the user, so I will import user model, user require, and my brother is writing me, and that's a bit annoying. Please don't show my phone number. Yes, that's a good idea. This Satarim is going private. Okay. Do you see how the sun is burning my face? See? Sunshade. I'm on another level. I'm not sure what I meant by that, but yes. I need that actually. Yeah, anyway, what the fuck. Yeah, so user is just, I can import it. It's actually in the same directory, so I can use dot user model, and down below I can just use user find and yeah, I need by ID. Oops, what? By ID. Current ID. And this is a promise, so we need to await it. Await. And this is async. Yeah, I need a promise. This will return promises. And this is actually async. Async. And now we need to yeah, we will overwrite guides, and that actually will be just what will be that point byte. Yeah, this will be we need to await all of the promises that we are returning. Promises dot all guide promises. Yeah. What? What? Why is this complaining? Oh my god, this is so annoying. Unexpected token promise. Ah. No, no, what I'm doing? Oh. This is before vacation, so I stopped here. This is so funny. Oh my god, I need a way. Yes, the stream is going pirate. And yeah, my brother, yeah. Oh man, you are worried that I'm leaking your phone number. Guess what? You are the only viewer, man. So don't worry. This way you can know your number. I think we are done here. New test. Yes, so with having this now, if I try to get all the tours, then I should be able to see the users embedded in here for the tour that we have tour guides IDs. So let's try that. And let's try the get tours. I don't actually need these filters. I just need tours. Cannot map of undefined. Ouch. Ouch, yes. So this can actually be undefined. Yeah, it's because we have 4 yeah, because this is a new column that we have introduced, and for the old documents we don't have. It will be basic null or undefined. So I will just add a check, like if this is, yeah, well, yeah, what will be the best way? I think the best way will be like, I will check if this if this guide is null, then this means is true. I will just call next, and we'll skip all of that, and we won't get none of this. Yes, let's try it. You see, I'm so smart. It's working. All right. Anyhow, guides, you see, it's getting an empty array. Let's find the, what was the one tour. Oh my, this is so hard to read, right? Let's find the one tour that we have guides IDs. This is empty, and yeah, we will doing it the boring way. We will just search. Because we don't have that many tours, so I will just scroll because I have so much time. No, I don't have actually time. I need to end this because yes, my working day is over and I need to stop doing this. Guides, empty. Come on, why? What? But we have a guides ID for something, right? Right? Tours. Let's see the tours table. Oh my god. Okay. Guides, one element. And yeah, aha. This is a string, but that doesn't matter. But maybe it's the reason is because it's, oh my god, I'm not sure if this is the right way. And you know what? Anyway, no. Hmm. Interesting. This is an array, right? Yeah, this is an array. But why it's not showing us an array? No, it's an array. Yeah, it's an array with one element, and that one element is this string. But the one thing that is worrying me is the double quotes. Should they be there or not? No, but yeah, every string is in double quotes, of course. Why am I even thinking about that? Yes, so that's not the problem. User, is this thing? Yeah, it's there. No, I mean user model. Yeah, it's here. Guys, what? Why? You see, programming, whatever you want to call it, it's hard. You know, from time to time you run into these kind of situations, and yeah. But I enjoy it anyway. No, I'm just that I need to talk. It's not that easy, but yeah. Not for long. This stream is going for not for long. What? What do you mean, but not for long? And I don't even know what this intermission scene means. Yes. In the sun. Yeah. Right. Now I'm not sure why. What is this now? Find by ID and it should return the ID. This is async. This is will be promises. We are awaiting all of the promises, and we will have guides. I really don't know what's the problem here. Getters. Let's just see what is the idea of this store. That's basically the third one from below, and the idea of this store. What? Oh my god, no! Why? Can I just And if I search here, you see, I see guides as an array and again, but this should not happen. This shouldn't happen. this is some. Okay, now this is confusing. Now this is confusing. So in the tutorial that I'm following, actually, it's not on prefind hook. It's on save. So the idea behind this is that when you update or save user and you provide guide IDs, on save it will find them and after that we will have embedded tour guides in the tour document. And to try that, if it's working, I think that save middleware is not executed on update, and I have an document middleware runs before save command and create, yes, and not update or anything like that. So if I try, for example, let's have this guide idea, and I will try, yeah, just for fun of it, let's just try to update it again, this same tour again, and save it. And as you can see, we just get guides like field. And if I create new tour and I have guides, and this is an array, yes, an array, and this is a user ID, and I need, yes, and if I send this, I should get what? Guides, no. Really? Are you for real? It should have. Yeah, why? Oh yeah, I know why, because I don't need this check right now, because it is checking if. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That guy was very fast. And it should work now. Oh my god. After this, after I see this that this is working, I'm ending my day today because I'm kind of tired, and I have set up, I have good setup for tomorrow, and I will just continue, and I will be much more productive tomorrow. So yeah, because today I spent a lot of time working at work, and now this is kind of an exhausting, and I like to make it fun, because if it's not fun, nobody is going to do it, because who is doing boring and not fun stuff? Who likes that? Who enjoys that? And if anyone is saying to you that he is loving boring and stuff, he's lying to you. Name, what's the name? Yeah, Gigi. I like this name. This store name is Gigi or GJ. GJ. Oh my god, that's so cool nickname. GJ. GJ. Hi GJ. Anyway, yes. If I save this now, must have less or equal. Oh, what? Really? That's too much. Then, oh yeah, I have a restriction. I just remembered. So yeah. Guess what the other words would be? But that's too much, 40. I'm not sure if that's true. Did I meant 4? I feel gonna... What, really? It's too much, 40. That's a mistake. Anyway, okay. Guides, I still get null. I don't like this. And I will debug it. Yes. The beacon, if you see this shit is working, so you know it's working. Safe. And we are here. And these guides, okay, let's check what we have here. These guides, yeah, this is the first element. Fantastic. And in the next step we have promises. We have one promise pending and I can't see anything in it. Oh, okay, in the next step, oh no, what? I just wanted to path name is not unique. Oh, the tour name needs to be unique. Yeah, that's also a requirement. Let's make it unique. I will just add one. Yes, and I'll add a breakpoint here as well. Next, and now in guides we have null. Why? Oh my god. I really want to see inside of here. But this ain't gonna work. Oh wait, user find by ID. I can imagine how boring this is to watch. This is to watch. The purposes of this are just for recording it for myself, so if anyone is watching, you're wasting your time. There is nothing funny here, or nothing that you can learn, or this maybe you can just get a general idea of how someone is performing after vacation. Everything is going slow. Yes. Why? Alright, I'm going on a break. How to do that? Yes. No ending soon. Starting soon. No, be right back. I'm not gonna be the only viewer for long. Oh, that's so cute. You will be. You will see. Yes. What's this mini feed? Darko Velkov. Yes, I'm muting now. And I'm back, 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 live scene. And I have the problem. So I had a wrong ID, and that's why it was not working. So as you see now, I've created a new user with a valid user ID, and now this is resolved, and I'm getting the embedded user. So yes, that was the reason, and I'm ending the stream, and I will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I will have much more time, and I won't bother with this stream setup or anything. It will just work, and yes, I'm continuing tomorrow. Yo, bye bye.